log baskets. My name's Alexander von Westenholz, founder of AVWAntiques, which mainly deals in English furniture and taxidermy, but I also really like buying baskets. Especially old factory ones like this. This one's particularly good and incredibly strong. Some of them get a bit woodwormy and the wicker gets a bit soft, and therefore you wouldn't really want to use them for anything more than kindling, if that. They're simply not strong enough to hold big proper logs. But this one's not only got wires around the sides and the corners, but really good metal, steel or iron brackets around the sides of these corners as well, really firming up an existing pine frame, which in itself is quite unusual, and there's space for a handle on each side as well. So it's incredibly strong and made for proper logs. Made for proper use for proper logs. Well, it wouldn't have been made for logs originally, I wouldn't have thought. Well, I don't know what it was made for originally, but something strong. Anyway, it's been built to last. But its crowning glory are its wheels. It's set on 4 wheels, set in a very solid metal framework, which gives it some real weight, and the configuration means it's incredibly easy to turn. It spins on a dime. I mean, it's really meant for a big house with hard floors, whether they be stone or wood. So you could wheel it to the door, fill it up with logs, and then wheel it back into the room that you want to use it for. I've bought loads of baskets over the years, but I think this is my favourite. Anyhow, what more can you say? This is the Rolls-Royce of factory stroke log baskets. It's a really, really good one and really, really strong, and it's not going to break or collapse on you. And I really like it. And please do subscribe if you enjoy these videos and would like to see more. And see you next time. Many thanks. It's a really good one.